Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to make those crispy, healthy, sweet potatoes chips and fries. Without further ado, let's get started. To make your sweet and crispy sweet potatoes chip, all you need is three ingredients. Your sweet potatoes, of course, oil, and a pinch of salt. As you can see, what I'm doing here is add some salt and the water. You can do this now or you can do this after. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you wash it first, remove the skin, then add it in the water. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. After removing the skin, I am going to slice it using the grater. Now we are making those delicious sweet potatoes fries. We are doing the same method, only difference is we are cut them differently. Remove the water out, or you can also use your napkin to dry them out. And ready to fry. And make sure you check your oil temperature. Reduce the heat if needed. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.